Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix controllers not working on Rocket League, and if your Rocket League is on Epic Games. So the first thing we need to do here, you need to open up Steam client, right? And then you need to press on the Steam icon on the top left, then go to settings, and on settings you need to go to controller. Then plug your controller or connect with the Wi-Fi. And then just here begin the test and look if your controller is working on your computer, right? So as you can see here, if your controller is working on your computer and it's not working on Rocket League or Epic Games, what you need to do here is to just scroll down until you see external gamepad settings. Make sure this option is selected, guide button to focus Steam, and then depending on what controller you're using, if you're using PlayStation controller, PS5, PS4, make sure it's enabled without support or enabled. If you're using Xbox controller, make sure this enabled. If you're using Switch controllers, make sure this enabled. If you're using generic, as you can see, enable this. Make sure as well idle gamepad shutdown timeout also is on never, because on default your controller will shut down after 15 minutes. And then what you need to do here, I'm assuming that you want to play Rocket League in Epic Games and controller is not working. So what you need to do here, on search on your desktop, you just need to look for Epic Games launcher. So it's a shortcut, desktop shortcut. You just need to right click on it, open file location. And here you should find Epic Games. So on directory path, you just need to press on the blank space, then copy the path, right? Then go back on Steam. On the bottom left corner, you should see add a game, press on that. Then select add a non-Steam game, then browse. Then here, paste the path, right? Then look for Epic Games Launcher, right? Open. Press on Epic add selected programs, and once you do that, then Epic Games should appear. And what you need to do here is to launch Epic Games not from your computer but from Steam. Hit play, and once Epic Games is running, go to library, go to Rocket League, and your controller should work. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.